This is our website Medicare Pro. It is a effort of intense work, hard work. As you can see, it is the homepage of our website. You can see the free trial, watch demo options. We have also made some designs. As you can see, you can go to sign in option. This is a website where you can log in as a doctor, patient, and also as a front desk. So we are going to the doctor section first. So in the doctor dashboard, you can see the name of the doctor, the patients, pending results, total appointments, and active patients. Schedule and recent activities can also be shown here. In the appointment section, you can see we haven't added any appointments yet. The patient section, the patient which was there previously, a demo patient has been created. In the medical records, you can check no such medical records of any patient is pending. Analytics and reports, you can see about the finances of the doctor. It's personal to the doctor and not much relevant to the outside. You can also check the patient demo. Here you can see the lab results, in the recent activity section, the lab results and appointments. In quick action section, you can see booking appointments, viewing records, paying bill, or contacting the doctor. In the my appointment section, you can see that we haven't added any appointments yet, but you can book your appointment. Select the doctor, as we have one doctor as of now. Select the date, any arbitrary date, and any arbitrary time. Selecting appointment time, consultation, and in the notes, let's say health checkup. So we have booked the appointment. The appointment was booked successfully. In the medical history, as the patient had no previous medical history, so we don't have. The billing section, it would be managed by the front desk and would be updated henceforth in the patient section. You can contact the doctor through this. As the patient had no previous medical history, so we don't have any doctor to whom he can contact. You can also check this front desk option also. In the front desk dashboard, you can see the total appointments, checked in, waiting, shows. It is mostly for the people who will be registering themselves offline. You can see the appointment, whom to schedule the appointment, patient registrations, paying the bills, and communication sections. So these are all you can see from the front desk. So you can also start a free trial. You can add yourself here. So let's add myself as a patient. So let it go as such. Email ID, let's say we are providing any random email ID. And password also a random password. Phone number also a random phone number. Some date of birth random. Emergency contact, let it be insurance provider XYZ. Policy number also a random one, and we have created the account. So upon creating the account, you can see the welcome page of you can check your appointments, medical history, billing, contacting the doctor. You can log out, and when you can also sign in. So you can see it would display it, and you have signed in back. You can check it, and also we can now recheck the doctor demo, the appointments, the patients, you have a patient has been added here. So that's it. It's all from our website. I would suggest that you would like our website. Thank you.